Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to show you 4 of the best money making apps using only a phone in 2021. So guys, this video is going to be super short and straight to the point. Make sure that you stay for the whole video so that way you don't miss out on any of these amazing apps that you can literally make money from your phone. A monkey could do this. It is so simple and so easy to make money using this method of making money online that if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. I see you guys, my watch hours are going up, but my subscribers are not. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really does help this channel out, and we really appreciate it. So if you could just hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications each and every time that I post a video online. If you are curious about how I'm able to stay home with my kids, make a full-time income from the comfort of my home in my sweatpants, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. So getting right into this, guys, you can use this method of making money online on your phone and use some of these methods on your computer as well. As you can see, I'm right in the Google Play Store, and we are looking at our first app, which is Daily Raffle. So the way that Daily Raffle works is you are going to play for daily prizes. They do their drawings, I believe, at 7 p.m. every single night, GMT time. So what the main goal is to collect as many tickets as you can. You are going to get 6 numbers on a ticket, and you're going to want to try and get as many numbers on your ticket to match what was drawn that night. It's literally like a lottery. So you start off, you try and get as many tickets as you can. Once you collect them, you want to collect them for free if possible, so that way you're not actually paying for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is an idea of what it's going to look like. And draw 31 tickets. So match the first 4 numbers in the same order to win. And it's literally as simple and easy as that. So it is Greenwich Mean Time 1900. So yeah, I believe that's 7 p.m. GMT time. Yes. So once you do, you hit, you want to get your numbers to match at least the first 4 in the same order of the ticket shown on the results to be a winner. I know that people have won literally $300, $400, $500, $600 on this. It has a 4.2 star rating. They have really great reviews on here. Someone was able to cash out $100, which isn't bad, especially with all the holidays coming up. So this is one of my absolute favorite apps. That's why this is the first app that I'm going to be doing. The second app that I want to get into is going to be the Dosh Save Money app and get cash back when you shop. So I have Dosh on my phone, and I get paid each and every time that I go and purchase an iced coffee at Dunkin' Donuts, which is more often than my bank account likes me to, which is why the Dosh app is so awesome. You literally load it on your phone, link it up to your debit card, and each time that you spend money, you end up getting cash back, actual cash money. It could be a couple cents here, $1 here, $2 there, but if you keep going to places that Dosh works with, you'll be able to make quite a bit of money off of it. It's offered at Costco, Sephora, Dunkin', Office Depot, Forever 21, PetSmart, eBay, DoorDash. Each time that you use the card that's linked up to this app and it sees that you used it there, they will actually not refund's the wrong word. They will send money to your bank account just for shopping and having this app right on your phone and having it linked up to your debit card. So I really love Dosh. I couldn't believe it the first time that it worked when we went to Dunkin' to buy coffee. So I love Dosh. Highly recommend Dosh. This is Sly Joy. It's the screen cash reward. So what is Sly Joy is? It's a lock it's a lock screen app. And if you have the time to do it, when you swipe a certain way, they're going to put ads in front of you. And if you just watch those ads, then it adds up into cash into your pocket, which is what I really like about the lock screen is you can literally swipe as many times as you want, set your phone down, let the ad run, swipe again, set your phone down, let the ad run, and the money still keeps piling up for you, which is really, really cool. It's simple, it's easy. I like Dash. It's got a 3.7 star rating. With a bunch of good reviews. They're all down here. So check out Sly Joy. One thing that I wanted to mention with Sly Joy is if you absolutely needed to get into your phone for an emergency situation, as long as you slide down, it should just completely enter you right into your phone, or so that you can enter in your locked password so that you're not stuck watching any of these ads while you wait to get into your phone if you are in an emergency situation. So they've already covered those bases with Sly Joy. And last but not least is surveys on the go. Surveys on the go says make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast, it's easy. Most surveys will pay between $1 and $5 surveys. We're the very first way of making money online, guys. And they're still around today. And Get says they're going to pay anywhere between $1 and $5 per survey, when with some surveys paying $10 plus if you qualify. So I believe the more that you use this app, the more they're going to send you out the higher paying surveys. So start off slow, guys. Make a little bit of money. They'll start sending you better and better and better surveys as time goes on. To get high paying surveys, fully enable notifications and location services at all times in your settings. This will ensure that you get the surveys that they will pay you top dollar. Now, this has a 4.5 star rating. Also really high rated, which is another reason why I'm doing a video on this. This one's not as well known as, Daily Raffle or Dash or Sly Joy, but Surveys to Go is an awesome app to be able to get paid just from playing around on your phone. You can't make money any easier than this. They have a lot of good reviews, like a bunch of good reviews. 81,489 total, actually. So there are a lot of people that are making reviews, and they've rated this with a 4.5 star rating. So guys, that's it. It's as easy as that. Just go to either your App Store, your Google Play Store on your phone, download these apps and start making money on your spare time while you're sitting around just watching movies or standing in line to check out at Target. Make sure that you get the Dash app so that way each and every time you feel the need to buy iced coffee, because I get that like twinge in my soul that I need it each and every time that I leave the house. You can at least tell your husband that you're getting paid to go get yourself some iced coffee. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, guys. Also, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell notification, so that way I can send you notifications each and every time I post videos. And if you're wondering how to make an absolutely full-time income online, working from the comfort of your own home, being your own boss, working your own hours, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks, guys.